I think I found the problem. They're all open. Tons of carbon buildup too. This is gonna be a good carbon cleaning on this one. Look at all that lip on that carbon. But yeah, you can see that valve's bent right there, big time. All right, guys, got the head off. See, every single valve is open and bent. Carbon buildup's pretty horrendous too. Like it's really bad. So I'll be doing a manual carbon cleaning on it too. But you can see all the intake valves are just peened over. The exhaust valves are all good. They seem like just the intake cam jump time. The exhaust valve's still in time. The exhaust cam's in time still. I mean, yeah, the valves got pretty messed up. You can see the separators here just built up with carbon. So 100,000 miles. All right, let's get these valves out and see how she looks. All the valves are out. Tons of carbon buildup that I'm gonna have to clean, which is not a huge deal because I just put it in the parts washer. But all the seats look really, really good. Nothing is messed up on the seats. Check these out. They're definitely bent. So we get new valves in this thing, and that one's almost an S right there. It's kind of funny, but yeah. It's a little windy, so I apologize for the audio, but yeah, so all the pistons look pretty good. There's some marks kind of right there, right here, where the valves hit, but all in all, the pistons look really good. I'll clean them up, get a little bit of the carbon off of them. Cylinder walls look great. Still got cross hatching, all that stuff, but good to get back together.